Hello everyone, I am back with my Static GK show. My dear subscribers, I have two two small requests for you. The first one is please do share my channel to maximum members as it is helpful for many banking job aspirants and those who are preparing for SBI clerk mains. One or two bits may come from my YouTube channel, so please do share them. And the second one is I request to you my request to you is please watch the video till the end because it has many I I put lot of effort to gather the information and refine it and to present to you. So please watch the video till the end. And let's get into the show, static GK show. And we start the static GK with the important days, that too the current April day, important days in April. So coming to the important days in April, April 1, the first part, sorry, here it is the mentioned date and the importance of the day and this year's theme for 2020. So April 1st, all of us know that April 1st is a Fool's Day and it is also a Odisha Day. It is all as no, it is also known as Utkal Divas. Odisha Day is celebrated for the formation of Odisha, and it is also known as Utkal Divas. And coming to the next one is April 2nd. It is known as its importance is World Autism Awareness Day. World Autism Awareness Day. Autism means the person who is suffering from autism cannot mingle with the others normally. If you want example for autistic person, I can suggest you to watch the Good Doctor show. At least you can watch the trailer to see how the autistic person will be. Okay, and this 2020 theme of 2020 for World Autism Awareness Day is the transition to adulthood. And next, April 4th. April 4th is International Day for Mine Awareness. Here mine means the landmine and threats arise due to landmines. It is International Day for Mine Awareness. The next one is April 5th. It is known as National Maritime Day. And National Maritime Day belongs to the Indian Navy, and it is the theme for 2020 year is sustainable shipping for a sustainable planet. And April 7th, it is known as World Health Day and Global Health Day we can say. And this year theme is support nurses and midwives. The main purpose for keeping this theme is as all of you know that we are encountered with the global pandemic, COVID-19. Nurses and midwives are the frontline warriors, so we have to support them. So next, coming to April 10th, it is known as World Homeopathy Day. We have three types of medicines: allopathy, homeopathy and Ayurvedic. Allopathy is the English medicine we can say. Homeopathy is like a small tablet medicine, and Ayurvedic as we all know. And This year's theme is enhancing the scope of homeopathy in public health. Next slide. April 11th. It is known as National Safe Motherhood Day. National Safe Motherhood Day. It means taking care of lactating mothers or mothers who are just given birth. And next, April 13, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre Day. It is also known as Amritsar Massacre Day. Amritsar Massacre Day. We all know that April 13, 1945, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre occurred. Sorry, the year is I mentioned is wrong. April 13th. And coming to the next, April 17th. It is known as World Hemophilia Day. And this year's theme is Get Plus Involved. And next, April 18th. It is known as World Heritage Day. Every year we celebrate World Heritage Day to safeguard our heritage sites and our culture. And this year's theme is shared culture and shared heritage and shared responsibility. And next, April 21st, National Civil Services Day. It is celebrated to encourage the civil service officers, and every year our president gives medals and encourages them on this day, Civil Services Day. And 22nd April 22nd, it is known as Earth Day, Global Earth Day we can say. And this year the theme is climate action, as we can say that the climate these years, past few years, the climate has gone everything. Climate has taken everything. Climate has deteriorated, so we need to act on the climate. So this year's theme is climate action. And next, April 23rd, it is known as World Book and Copyright Day. There are 4 different themes, and those are all the themes are reading in all its forms, and development of a book industry infrastructure, inclusiveness and digital accessibility, and empowerment of children through reading. This is celebrated in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, as it is known as the book capital of the world. And April 24th, National Panchayati Day, because National Panchayat Raj was implemented on this day, April 24th. So it is celebrated as National Panchayati Day. 25th, April 25th is known as World Malaria Day, and this year's theme is Zero Malaria Starts With Me. This World Malaria Day is celebrated to create awareness among the people about malaria and to prevent the malaria from occurring. And April 26th, World Intellectual Property Day. This year's theme is Innovate for a Green Future. And last important day is April 28th, World Day for Safety and Health at Work. Because this year the main theme is Stop the Pandemic, Safety and Health at Work Can Save Lives. Okay, these are the important days in April. So I hope you have noted everything, and I hope you watched till very end, and thanks for watching till the end. And I my request to you is please do like the video and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.